Well, this is kind of confusing. I was just playing Fortnite by myself until I found a legendary suppressed pistol. I don't know if there's like a mistake or anything, or is this supposed to be here? But I found a suppressed pistol. I was just looking for some heals because I was low on health. Then I just found freaking suppressed pistol out of nowhere. I really don't know if this was a mistake or something like on purpose. I'm not gonna use it, I guess. I don't know no. We don't know what to do with it. Oh my god. Like, someone actually needs to tell me if this is normal or not. If this used to be OG. This is like OG as well. Like, not even. I'm actually dead. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh my god. He had no heals either. He didn't break a chest. Please have heals, bro. Let's go. I think this has to be match saved, but probably gonna die later. Just hope I don't, because I just found a suppressed. I still don't know if it's normal or not. I really don't know. I'm only gonna use the suppressed pistol. I don't care. But like, if someone's close range, I'm gonna use the shotgun. It's the only time. Jesus, I just lagged. I don't know, like, at least kind of like a big crowd at least. Yep. The gods are, the front of gods are listening to me. I said that 1 second later, broke a top, boom. I don't even know why I opened that. Reload. Oh my god. Well, not all of them. Not me to do that. Jesus, this is so much damage. I need to reload. Jesus. Yeah, I'm dead, bro. I can't. I need to be. Really, minigun? I mean, I only made this video because I saw like a suppressed pistol. But I mean, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video since I died.